ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਲਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਾਹੋਂ ਮੇਂ ਆ ਸੜੀਏ ਬਸ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਕੇ लिए ਸਾਡੀ ਤਾਂ ਦੇਸੀ ਹੈ ਅਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਫਿਦਾ ਬਾਹੋਂ ਮੇਂ ਆ ਸੜੀਏ ਬਸ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਕੇ लिए सुबह होने ना दे साथ होने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो हीरो मैं तेरा हीरो.
You all understand football, and I've said this before. I'd love to see a Ronaldo or a Messi from India. And I'd love to see that Ronaldo and Messi happen from the Northeast, because we are the hotbed of football in this country, which is why I am here. I come from a city that's very privileged, that's very comfortable, and I was given the option of getting a football team from there, but I chose to come here. I've always been in love with this region, and I really consider myself, when I see when I see stuff about actor, producer, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is I'm one of y'all, and we have a football team together, and I want to bring pride to the region. We won the Durand Cup twice. We have a game tomorrow. We also want to win the ISL, and I've let you down in the past, but hopefully now we've got a fantastic team. We've got some great players, and we really want to bring pride to this entire region and tell the rest of India that, listen, we're here. Don't ignore us. We're cooler than the rest of you, and we're going to do that through football.